Hello everyone. People are always asking me, oh, the holidays are coming. Well, the holidays are always coming. There's always some holiday that's coming. But what should I be doing for my skin to look better? What procedures should I be doing? Number one is you should be using maximal strength therapeutic skin products. You should be doing certain things internally that are going to slow down and turn back and help prevent and reverse. You should be exercising. You should be eating healthily as much as humanly possible. You should be making sure your thyroid, your adrenals, all these things which are foundational issues are treated. But now is the time of year. This is October, November, December, and then into the winter when you should be doing professional peels. Now, there's a lot of professional peels out there. Most of them are inflammatory. Inflammation is the cause of all disease and aging. Do you want to spend your money on that? I don't think so, because you're aging yourself, increasing your risk of disease. So professional peels, what do I use? High dose retinol peels, which are lifting, tightening, increasing the metabolism, volumizing, helping to resolve the brown, helping to resolve lines, helping to lift your skin, helping to get rid of brown spots. What peels you use really do matter. And so my perfecting peel, my retinol restoration, we figured out how to do that. You have to be prepped. You've got to be using the skin products. Those really matter. We figured out how you can do those at home, but you have to interface with the office for us to allow that to happen, because they're strong. There's certain practitioners around the country and the world that have them, but they're not everywhere. The other thing is, this is a time of year, and also twice a year, you need to be doing things like in mode Forma. You need to be doing things that's synergistic with what you're doing internally and what you're doing with skin products. The different technologies that really work, and they have to be done right, because any sort of technology is only as good as the person who does it. And if you're not using skin products that are therapeutic, if you're not internally, your thyroid, adrenals in good shape, then you're getting a fraction of the result. So this is a time of year. And also, don't forget about your body, your arms, your legs. We're using the high dose retinoics and technology as well on the body, exfoliating on the body. All of those things need to be done. Yes, it's the holiday season. Everybody wants to look good. This is the time to start. Just like when you're young, you need to prevent and be using therapeutic skin products early. So, it's the holidays. You need to start doing the things, and for the winter, that are going to make you look good for the summer. So it's always a holiday. Hope this helps. I hope this is food for thought, and I hope it helps you understand why you do what you do and why you don't waste your time and money and trust on doing what's betraying your trust. Thank you.